Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to enable Proxy in Janitor AI. So here I have opened up a chat with the character of my choice, but you will have to make sure that the character slash the chat allows proxies. So this one surely does. So now I'm at the chat. Now once you're here to click on these three bars at the top right. Now in here click on API settings. This window will pop up. Now in here in the general section click on provider janitor and select proxy. After that this window will show. Now in here click on new. After that, you would see this page right here. Now in here, you would have to name your proxy. I will go for, let's say, my proxy one. After that, the website that we'll be using for the proxy URL and API key is this one right here, which is Open Router AI. So you'll have to go to this website and make your account and log in using that. Now, once you have signed in, you would have to come to this model section right here by clicking on this models button right here. And in here, select the model that you would like to use as a proxy. I would go for, let's say, this Google Gemini one. Once you've selected it, just click on this copy button right here and it will be copied. Now go back to the website and in here, you would have to paste in this API key here. The API key has been pasted right here. Now in here, for the proxy URL, you would have to paste in a link that will be given to you guys in the description. So I'm just going to paste it right here. So here I have pasted in the link. You would find it in the description as well. Now in here, you would have to type in the name of that model. For example, Gemini 3.5 flashlight. So I'm just going to name it Gemini 3.5 flashlight. After that, you can also type in a custom prompt if you want to. And after that, just simply click on add. And as you guys can see, the proxy has been added using the model that I selected. And if you want to switch back to the general settings, just click on Janitor and it will be reverted to the old settings. So that is pretty much it. And I hope this video helped you. And if it did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.